In my video guide, I will help you to remove the ransomware called ReadSRead. The video will demonstrate to you what exactly the ransomware does with the files. You can clearly see that before the ransomware attack, you are able to open files without any complications. Pictures, music, Microsoft Office and other data can be opened without troubles. But this ransomware called ReadSRead may be easily injected into the device because of certain available vulnerabilities in the system. The ransomware then encrypts all these files that the customers store on their hard drives, and it adds this special ReadSRead extension to the files. It's not possible to use the files anymore. When you try to open the specific file, you get this message saying that Windows cannot open this type of file with the ReadSRead extension. The ransomware also places this ransom note on the computer screen. It says that your files are encrypted and that your company network has been penetrated. Then the ransomware tells the victims to pay a special ransom for file restoration, and it also tells the victims to contact the developers using these email addresses. On the other hand, paying the ransom is not a good solution. This does not guarantee the file restoration. So don't pay the ransom, don't waste your money. We recommend you to remove this particular ransomware with the help of the reliable anti-ransomware tool called Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get its fresh version on the official website combocleaner.com. Use this green download button. Install the application. Then after it gets installed, start the program and begin carefully researching and investigating your system. Combo Cleaner will help you to detect and remove this particular ReadSRead ransomware and other threats. The program is initially in the trial mode. Only the quick scan option is available in the trial mode, so click on Start Scan button. Most likely the program will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware. After the anti-malware database of Combo Cleaner Antivirus has been successfully updated, you can clearly see that the program begins scanning and researching your system. It will take some time until the scanning is completed. While the scanning is taking place, please pay careful attention to the feature called anti-ransomware. This feature allows you to add one or several folders on the system that will always be protected against ransomware attacks. So it will take some time until the scanning is over. Then at the end of the scanning you will see the summary of threats. You will be able to know the exact locations of these threats on your system. I strongly advise that you upgrade to Premium. This is the best solution to keep your data always protected in the future.